Good morning and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Hi, I am Gautam Kumar. Today I will teach you sentence. It is very important to know the definition of sentence and its kind. Today we will learn only the definition of sentence and the definition and kinds of sentence and also definition of assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. We will also learn the kinds of assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. So, the first question before us is that what is a sentence? What is a sentence? The definition is very easy. A group of words that makes a complete sentence is called a sentence. A group of words that makes a complete sentence is called a sentence. It means इसका मतलब हुआ कि शब्द को ऐसे हम अरेंज करें कि उसको अरेंज करने पे अगर उसका एक प्रॉपर मीनिंग होता है तो उसी को हम सेंटेंस कहेंगे. ओके, बट remember one thing, there are some parts of sentence, that is a clause, sentence, idioms and phrase. It has also some meaning, but sentence has complete meaning. Idioms and phrase doesn't have a complete meaning unless it is not used in a sentence. सेंटेंस का पूर्ण अर्थ होता है जबकि इडियम्स एंड फ्रेज का पूर्ण अर्थ नहीं होता है जब तक वह सेंटेंस में यूज नहीं हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट टेक्स टू टू टैंगो. इट टेक्स टू टू टैंगो, ताली दो हाथ से बजती है. बार्किंग डॉग्स सेल्डम बाइट, गरजने वाले बादल बरसते नहीं हैं. द सन राइजेस इन द डे एंड द मून शाइन्स एट नाइट. Revenge keeps the wound green and open. These are the example of sentence in which you can see that there is a subject in the beginning, such as it takes two to tango, in which it is a subject, takes as a verb, and the sentence end with a full stop. So, the important thing we have to pay attention to know and recognize the sentence is that, and how to write a sentence also. A sentence must start with a capital letter. Remember one thing, a sentence must start with a capital letter. Second, a sentence must contain a main verb. A sentence must contain a main verb. Third, a sentence must end with a full stop, an interrogation mark, an interrogative mark, and an exclamation mark. Exclamatory mark. Okay? The sentence must be end with an interrogation. The sentence must be end with an interrogation, an interrogation, an exclamatory, and a full stop. A sentence may contain one word or more than one word. इसका मतलब है कि सेंटेंस एक वर्ड का भी हो सकता है. खासकर इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस एक वर्ड का भी हो सकता है. तो ध्यान है, अ सेंटेंस में कंटेन वन और मोर देन वन वर्ड. एक सेंटेंस एक वर्ड का भी हो सकता है, एक से अधिक का भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रन, it is an imperative sentence. Run means दौड़ो, and it is an order sentence. Okay, so remember one thing, a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. There are three notes. The first is that a sentence must be started with a capital letter. Second, a sentence must contain a main verb. Third, a sentence must end with a punctuation such as a full stop, an interrogation, and an exclamation mark. There's a one note. There is also one more note that a sentence may contain one word or more than one word. सेंटेंस एक वर्ड का भी हो सकता है, एक से अधिक हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रन, ट्राई, गो, कम. These are the one word sentence. Now see the next question. The next question is that how many kinds of sentence are there? Very simple question. There are five kinds of sentence. How many kinds? Five kinds of. How many kinds of sentence are there? Five. First, assertive. Assertive is also known as declarative or statement. Assertive, assertive is also known as declarative or statement. So, assertive sentence, interrogative or questioning sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and last exclamatory sentence. How many kinds of sentence are there? Five. What are they? The first, assertive sentence. The second, interrogative sentence. The third, imperative sentence. Fourth, optative sentence. Fifth, exclamatory sentence. Okay? Now see next. What is an assertive declarative statement sentence? We can also call assertive sentence as declarative or statement. Okay? Very simple definition. A sentence that asserts or declares something to someone is called an assertive sentence. A sentence that asserts or says or declares or tells something to someone is called an assertive sentence. असर्टिव सेंटेंस मतलब जिससे आप किसी व्यक्ति को कुछ भी कहते हो, कुछ भी कहना, सिंपल कोई भी चीज कहते हैं तो वो असर्टिव सेंटेंस है. सी द एग्जांपल. पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस इज परहैप्स द बेस्ट डॉक्टर. इट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग. मनुष्य का अपना अनुभव उसके लिए सबसे बड़ा डॉक्टर होता है या उसके लिए सब सर्वोत्तम डॉक्टर होता है. लव इज मोर पावरफुल ऑन द स्टेज देन इन एक्चुअल लाइफ. इट इज also when we see or watch any movie on the stage, we burst into tear. Means emotion and feeling comes into our heart. But when we see and feel the same thing in reality, we do not feel that emotion and feeling. इसका मतलब है कि पर्दे पे अगर हम प्रेम के चित्र को देखते हैं तो हम भावुक हो जाते हैं, जबकि एक्चुअल लाइफ में ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता. द स्टेज ऑफर्स मच ग्रेटर स्कोप फॉर द एक्सेप्शन ऑफ द पैशन. द थर्ड इज दैट व्यक्ति के प्रतिभा को दिखाने के लिए स्टेज सबसे अच्छा अवसर होता है. नेक्स्ट, रिलीजन एंड पैट्रियोटिज्म आर टू मोटिव्स फॉर द सेक्रीफाइस ऑफ ऑल आवर पोजेशंस. हमारे जीवन के जीने के दो ही मोटिव्स है. फर्स्ट, रिलीजन एंड द सेकेंड, पैट्रियोटिज्म, जिसके लिए हम सब कुछ छोड़ सकते हैं, त्याग सकते हैं. एक्चुअली आई हैव taken examples from one of the best authors, and by teaching sentence I want to give you some good proverbs. That's why I have collected such kind of example. Okay, now see next. How many kinds of assertive sentence are there? Very simple. There are two kinds of assertive sentence. How many kinds of assertive sentence are there? Two. What are they? Affirmative sentence and negative sentence. What are they? There are two kinds of assertive sentence. One is affirmative sentence, the other is negative sentence. What is an affirmative sentence? What is an affirmative sentence? A sentence that shows acceptance is called an affirmative sentence. A sentence that shows an acceptance is called an affirmative sentence. ऐसा सेंटेंस जो स्वीकारात्मक होता है, जो स्वीकारात्मक वाक्य होते हैं, उनको हम अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं. एक्सेप्टेंस मीन्स स्वीकारात्मक, स्वीकार करने योग्य. सच एज आई एम रेडी, he and I are ready, you are a rich man, the liar tells lies. It is also a proverb, the liar tells lies. Shakespeare wrote Othello. So these are the affirmative sentence because it has acceptance. इसमें एक प्रकार का acceptance है, इसलिए assertive sentence है. The another difference of assertive affirmative sentence is that the sentence that does not contain any negative word. The sentence that does not contain any negative word is called affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence उसको कहते हैं जो किसी भी प्रकार का negative word contain नहीं करता है, उस sentence को affirmative sentence कहेंगे. Now next, what is a negative sentence? A sentence that shows denial or rejection is called a negative sentence. Again, what is a negative sentence? A sentence that shows denial or rejection is called a negative sentence. Example, I am not ready. He and I are not ready. You are not a rich man. The liar does not tell lies. Rolling stone gathers no moss. Barking dogs seldom bite. Shakespeare did not write Othello. So these are the example of negative sentence. You can see all the sentence has at least one negative word. All the sentence has at least one negative words, and that shows negative sentence. There are some words that gives negative sense. Pay attention. There are some words that gives negative sense, such as not, nay, no, little, few, least, seldom, hardly, scarcely, neither, nor, very few, unless, until. Listen again. Not, nay, no, little, few, least, seldom, hardly, scarcely, neither, nor, very few, unless, until. These are some negative words that shows negative sentence. Now, next question. What is an interrogative sentence? Very simple. What is an interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks or inquires something about someone is called an interrogative sentence. Very simple. A sentence that asks or inquires something about someone is called an interrogative sentence. वैसा सेंटेंस जो कुछ पूछता है किसी के बारे में, उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं? इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आर यू मैड? क्वेश्चन है, क्या तुम पागल हो? आर यू मैड? इट इज अ क्वेश्चनिंग. वेयर डज ही लिव एट? वह कहाँ रहता है? व्हेन विल यू कम टू मीट मी? तुम मुझसे मिलने कब आओगे? हु आर यू? शेक्सपियर रोट अथेलो, डिडंट ही? शेक्सपियर ने अथेलो लिखा है या नहीं? So you can see that these are the formats of interrogative sentence. These are the examples of interrogative sentence. So now we will know how many kinds of interrogative sentence. How many kinds of interrogative sentence are there? Very simple. There are three kinds of interrogative sentence. The first one is yes-no interrogative. The first one is yes-no interrogative sentence. The second, WH word interrogative. The third, question tag or tail question. Again, how many kinds of interrogative sentence are there? So very simple, there are three kinds of interrogative sentence. The first, yes no interrogative. Second, WH word interrogative. Third, question tag or tail question. Note, yes no question start from an auxiliary verb. Remember, the definition of yes no question is that when we ask a question, the answer of that question either will be yes or no. It's called yes no question. But we will see the formation of yes no question in next video. यस नो क्वेश्चन का मतलब है जब इससे हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो उसका जवाब या तो यस में आएगा नहीं तो नो में आएगा, तो उसको हम यस नो क्वेश्चन कहेंगे। अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, यस नो क्वेश्चन का फॉर्मेशन जो है हम लोग यस नो क्वेश्चन का फॉर्मेशन हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे। सेकेंड, तो पहला चीज में क्या है, यस नो क्वेश्चन ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब से शुरू होगा। तो देयर आर 24 ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर। इंग्लिश ग्रामर में कितने ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है? 24। कौन कौन? तो इज, एम, आर, वाज, वेयर, हैज, हैव, हैड, डू, डज, डिड। ध्यान रहे, इज, एम, आर, वाज, वेयर, हैज, हैव, हैड, डू, डज, डिड, ये प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है। ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब में भी यह प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है, ध्यान रखेंगे। ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब में भी यह प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है। कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, शैल, शुड, विल, वुड, नीड, डेयर, मस्ट, यूज टू, ऑट टू, या मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है। तो ध्यान रखेंगे 11 प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है एंड 13 मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है। रिमेंबर वन थिंग, 11 प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है, इज, एम, आर, वाज, वेयर, हैज, हैव, हैड, डू, डज, डिड, ये प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है, इसकी संख्या 11 है। कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, शैल, शुड, विल, वुड, नीड, डेयर, मस्ट, यूज टू, ऑट टू, यह मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है और इसकी संख्या 13 है। कितनी है? 13। देयर आर मेनली 9 WH वर्ड इंट्रोगेटिव वर्ड्स। 9 WH मेनली जो है 9 WH वर्ड इंट्रोगेटिव वर्ड है। WH वर्ड में इंट्रोगेटिव, वैसे WH वर्ड से बहुत सारे वर्ड हो सकते हैं बट इंटरोगेटिव में मेनली 9 है। हु, whom, which, what, whose, when, where, why, how। Who, whom, which, what, whose, when, where, why, how। Next question, what is an imperative sentence? I hope you have understood yes no question. I hope you have understood auxiliary verb, number of auxiliary verb, kinds of auxiliary verb, and number of WH word, and what are they. I think you have understood. Now see what is an imperative sentence. A sentence that shows an order, a request, a suggestion, or advice is called an imperative sentence. Understand? A sentence that shows an order, a request, a suggestion, और एडवाइस इज कॉल्ड एन इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस। इसका मतलब ऐसा सेंटेंस जो या तो ऑर्डर को शो करेगा, या रिक्वेस्ट को शो करेगा, या सजेशन या एडवाइस को शो करेगा, उसको हम इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस कहेंगे। सच एज सिट डाउन, sit down, please help me, do your duty, help the poor, see the doctor, respect your elders। ध्यान दें, सजेशन और एडवाइस यह बिल्कुल समान है। नाउ सी नेक्स्ट, what is an optative sentence? A sentence that shows pray, curse, bless, or wish is called an optative sentence. Again, a sentence that shows pray, curse, bless, or wish is called an optative sentence. Okay? Example: May God bless you. May our culture never die. May you meet with the devil. These are the example of optative sentence. Now, see the last. What is an exclamatory sentence? A sentence that shows sudden feeling, emotion, ideas, or desire is called an exclamatory sentence. Again, what is an exclamatory sentence? A sentence that shows sudden feeling, emotion, ideas, or desire is called an exclamatory sentence. Hurrah! We won the match. Sorry, it is a mistake. Hurrah! No, I think hurrah! We have won the match. Hurrah is an exclamatory word, so we will write exclamatory sign there. Okay? Hurrah is interjection. Okay? So before interjection, we will write an exclamatory sign. What a shame! It is an exclamatory sentence. How hot it is. It is also an exclamatory sentence. What an idea. It is also an exclamatory sentence. Ah, I am ruined. It is also an exclamatory sentence. So remember, we can use how or what for exclamatory sentence. Okay? We can use how or what for a questioning also and for also in exclamatory sentence. अंडरस्टैंड? हम लोग हाउ और वाट का प्रयोग क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस में भी कर सकते हैं. I hope all of you have understood the definition of sentence, its kind, and the definition of assertive sentence and its kind, the definition of interrogative sentence and its kind, and number of auxiliary verb, number of WH word. I think you have also understood imperative sentence. I think you have also understood optative and exclamatory sentence. So now, last, there are some notes. There are three notes. Pay attention. An assertive or imperative sentence must end with a full stop. Remember one thing. An assertive or imperative sentence must end with a full stop. Second, an interrogative sentence must end with an interrogation mark या an interrogative mark. An interrogative sentence must end with an interrogation or an interrogative mark that is given in the bracket. An optative or exclamatory sentence must end with an exclamation mark, exclamatory mark, and an exclamation that is given in the last. I hope you have understood. ध्यान रखेंगे कि असर्टिव और इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस फुल स्टॉप से एंड होगा, जबकि इंटेरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन मार्क से और ऑप्टेटिव और एक्सक्लामेटरी एक्सक्लामेशन मार्क से एंड होंगे. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल इन दिस वीडियो. We will meet soon in the next video in which we will learn interchanging from one sentence to other, such as in the next video we will learn how to change affirmative sentence into negative sentence and also how to change a negative sentence in affirmative sentence. We will also learn how to form yes, no or WH word question from affirmative sentence or assertive sentence. Okay, assertive sentence. We will also learn. We will also know how to form negative of imperative sentence. Okay, we will see how to form an exclamatory sentence. हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अफर्मेटिव से निगेटिव और निगेटिव से अफर्मेटिव क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस का फॉर्मेशन, उसके बाद इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस का निगेटिव का फॉर्मेशन और सबसे लास्ट हम लोग एक्सक्लामेटिव सेंटेंस का फॉर्मेशन पढ़ेंगे. तो नेक्स्ट में जो हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे, नेक्स्ट में चेंजिंग पढ़ेंगे. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल लर्न द चेंजिंग ऑफ वन सेंटेंसेस इनटू अनदर. And in the day after tomorrow, we will learn also transformation, not changing. We will learn transformation from affirmative to negative without changing meaning. So, that's all in this video. We will see soon. Thank you. Best of luck.